to run the program, we can also use an agent. So for this, we click at the bottom left on the star icon, the agent panel. Here the agent panel is empty. There is a new Zed Agent thread, but if on your side there is something, you can click on the plus new thread and then select Zed Agent. It will restart a new agent thread. And then you will write, so you want to run the program, but remember you need to use UV to run it, because UV is the tool that will handle all the configuration file and so on. So we will ask the agent run the program using UV. Enter. So we see the agent has thought, has scanned all the project to find out where was the main script of the program. So you can see here, if I click on main.py, I will have on the right, so I try to increase the content of the script, the content of the program. So here we see it print hello from project 01. I can close this main.py on clicking the cross right of main.py panel. And then the agent waits for our confirmation. So for this, either we allow all the time, we deny if we disagree, or we'll allow only this time. So you see, if I click on the drop list, I have always for terminal, always for everyone commands, only this time. I will stay only this time. I will click allow. And that's it. The agent has executed the program without you having to write down a command in the terminal.